Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Efootball and going straight into Edit Team. This gives you immediate access to squads and player lists. Once in, select the team that contains the player whose jersey number needs changing, because changes are saved per squad. Then enter Edit Kit or Player Edit Mode so you can manipulate individual player data. You do this now to avoid later back and forth. It ensures the number field is available and prevents accidental edits to the wrong roster. You select the player and open the detailed profile where attributes and appearance reside. This is where the jersey number lives. Locate the jersey number field and type the new digit or digits. Make sure to use valid values accepted by the game. Once entered, confirm the change so it writes to the squad data. While doing this, check for duplicate numbers on the team because duplicates can cause automatic reassignments or rejection by the validation system. You must save edits and apply them to the active squad immediately, otherwise changes stay local or are lost. Once applied, load a quick match or preview the kit to verify the jersey displays correctly. Visual confirmation avoids surprises in online play. If the number doesn't stick, check for roster locks, active online sync overriding local edits, or another player already using that number. Resolving those issues usually lets you reapply the edit successfully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.